Assalamu alaikum. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've been back on YouTube. A lot have been happening and I couldn't come on YouTube as I wanted to, but I'm back, and today I just want to share with you guys that I went grocery shopping. So yeah, I just wanted to first show you guys what I bought in case you guys are interested, and after that I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning the refrigerator because it's been some time since I've cleaned it, and I'm gonna organize. With that being said, let me go ahead and show you guys. So this is all I have got. It's a lot. I usually shop week by week, but today I decided to get a lot of things. So I got some hummus, two different kinds. I got the spinach one and the roasted garlic hummus. I wasn't really a big fan of hummus in the past, but now I don't know what happened. I'm obsessed with it. Also, I got some water and some cheese pizza. This family were really into Hot Pockets, the halal kind, obviously. And I never tried this farm cheese, but I don't even know what I'm going to eat with it, but I'm going to try. I got some sliced cheese, cheddar cheese, and so some ketchup, honey mustard. Also got the pancake syrup. I love these. I don't even know what do you call it. What do they call it? Paratha, onion paratha, but it's really good. It's easy to cook and you can have it with anything. Got some lettuce, organic spinach, and some waffles. I got a different kinds. I like the blueberry kind, and also I got some fruits and sliced. This is turkey. I got it from the halal place, and some cilantro, avocado, banana. Yeah, so this is what I got. Also got milk. This is the second time I'm drinking this. This is really good. I usually used to get just the whole milk, the regular kind. Can you see me? But yeah, that's it. And of course, bread. Not the healthy kind, but whatever. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning the fridge and record that for you guys as well. So here's my refrigerator, and the first thing that I like to do is remove everything that is inside the fridge. That way I can see which type of food expired, and I can just throw them away as I go. Also, it's a lot easier to clean it when it's there's nothing inside. So yeah. Also, I do apologize that I'm covering the camera. The space in this kitchen is very small, so I hope you guys don't mind that. Isn't this bowl so cute? It's actually made from a bamboo tree, and I bought it from a local store. I use it to place my little boiled eggs, but isn't it so cute? As I am cleaning this, I found a lot of foods that expired. This is why I should go shopping every week instead of every 2 weeks. Also, I should refuse when my husband says that if he should stop by some restaurant foods and and grab some for us, because when I say yes, then we don't eat the food that I prepare the day before. So that's a waste of money, waste of food. So next time I'm going to say no, a big no. Also, I'm finally cleaning It looked like it took me some time just trying to get everything out from the fridge. So here's me just trying to clean it up and organize.
أشرقت نفسي بنور من فؤادي حينما رددت يا رب العباد وانتشت روحي وصار الدمع يجري يا إلهي خذ بقلبي للرشاد للهدى والحق وفقني إلهي فعلى توفيقك اليوم اعتمادي يا إله الكون يا عوني وغوثي يا ملال الخلق في يوم المعاد فأنا يا ربي أرجو منك عفوا فاعف عن ذنبي وحقق لي مرادي حينما رددت يا رب العباد وانتشت روحي وصار الدمع يجري يا إلهي خذ بقلبي للرشاد أشرقت نفسي بنور من فؤادي حينما رددت يا رب العباد وانتشت روحي وصار الدمع يجري يا إلهي خذ بقلبي للرشاد
هاي 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 يا معان هاي 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 يا معان هاي هاي الدنيا ذن إلهي بلاريي.
Now this looks very clean. I'm so pleased with myself. It is as if we just bought this fridge. I'm so glad I finally was able to clean the refrigerator, and now it's time to start organizing.
أوركا إيو أرحذيو أوغذت إسارتا أوركا إيو أرحذيو أوغذت إسارتا أدي مذا كدالي هويوي هويوي الله كو أبل كذو هويوي هويوي الله كو أبل كذو.
I stopped for a second because I forgot to clean the top freezer, and here is me cleaning it. And there is my favorite ice cream. It's been a while actually since I had that, but I'm glad I was able to get that, and now I will enjoy it for a week.
هاي 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 يا معان هاي 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 يا معان هاي هاي الدنيا ذن إلهي بلاريي أنكاك وذانول المهاجي ويان الدنيا ذن إلهي بلاريي أنكاك وذانول المهاجي ويان احترام ركتيساي هدي ايد لقا قلو احترام ركتيساي هدي ايد لقا قلو احمد اللهيني هويوي هويوي الله كو أبل كذو هويوي هويوي الله هكو أبل قدو هاي 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 الله هكو أبل قدو هاي 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 يا معان هاي 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 يا معان هاي هاي الدنيا ذن إلهي بلاريي أنكاك وذانول المهاجي ويان الدنيا ذن إلهي بلاريي أنكاك وذانول المهاجي ويان ما أقان أمان أن هو يكوكت المامي ما أقان أمان أن هو يكوكت المامي يفتن ليس كراعي هو يوي هو يوي الله هكو أبل كذو هو يوي هو يوي الله هكو أبل كذو هو يوي هو يوي الله هكو أبل كذو هو يوي هو يوي الله هكو.
So here is the end result. It looks really nice. I'm happy with it. I'm very pleased with it. I'll try to keep it as clean as possible. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate if you can press the like button and subscribe so you can support this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.